It's my sister's birthday. It's my sister's birthday. Silence. No, this one. Not this one. So guys, happy birthday Bena. Atakama uoni. Happy birthday Bena.
Happy birthday Bena. We love you.
Yeah, the CJ Mingles family loves you. Aya. Surprise! Ona vile kana blush. Meanwhile, how do you feel being your birthday? Nicole, say hi. What is your name? Your name is Nicole Cherono, not Princess. Princess?
Okay.
Voila.
Voila.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear birthday girl. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to
you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bena. Happy birthday to you. The birthday cake. This is the birthday cake.
Na si upige pamoja na nini ionekane vizuri.
Na nini? I'ma do it like that.
Yes, yako tingiza.
Lazima ushake mwili. Like that. Wish.
We are giving you time to make a wish. Now blow. Karibu hiyo inakatika.
Woo! Happy 23.
Watu kiswa kate cake. Biki.
Kata keki sio ugali. Happy birthday dear Bena. Happy birthday dear Bena. Happy birthday dear Bena. Happy birthday dear Bena. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Tell us, how does the cake taste? Lakini sipo.
Yummy.
Oh my god. This cake is so yummy. So yummy, man. Tell me how it tastes. Yeah. Watu wengine wanaonyesha yummy na expressions za kulia.
Hater. Yes, this one is a hater. Oh, kiss your neck.
Wacha tuone.
Eat that one, mommy. So
guys, this cake is super yummy. It is from
my sister.
No. This cake is super yummy, man. It's from Small
Heaven.
Small Heaven bana. Hadi mimi hata nimesikia nimefika heaven. So the cake is from Small Heavens, Nairobi. Small Heavens Cake, Nairobi. If you want a cake, they never fail, man.
Yummy.
Super yummy. Sema kama mzungu. The cake?
It's yummy.
It's yummy. I know how is the cake. It's yummy. What up, guys? So we're done with the first phase and we're going to for a walk. See. We are going for a walk somewhere. It's a surprise, guys. So we're going to Oloolua. We're going to Oloolua. Yeah, we're going to for just fun. Yeah, birthday fun, and then I'll keep updating you guys. Yes. So we just arrived at Oloolua. We just arrived at Oloolua Nature Park. Nature Park, and we are going to explore. Although this place is sort of muddy and watery, but we will just manage. So let's keep going, guys. Yeah. So this is the bridge, and then this is the water.
It's a rainy season, that's why there is a lot of water.
Nini? Welcome to Oloolua. So this is the direction to the waterfall.
You have been here?
No.
So here is something that I've been told. It's called a bird watching tower. Yeah, so you can climb to the top and then watch the birds. But for now, we're still going to the waterfalls. Yeah, down to the waterfalls. Birthday girl, say hi. Where? Say hi.
Hi.
Hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
Peter.
Hello.
Sema hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Welcome to nature. We love nature. It's just the best thing that happens in the world.
Zile poems za nini?
Okay, what else should I say? Okay, it's because it's our sister's birthday and we decided to take her just to see the nature because she's not exposed to nature.
Hi. Yes, and then Sunny mwenyewe. Yo, what's up, guys? So this is enjoying the cold breeze, man. The cold breeze of Oloolua, man. Yeah, this is a very nice place. Yeah, you can show them. And then this other side.
Just cool, just quiet.
Cool, as in your own peace, bana. No people making noise for you.
No.
Mtu anasumbua.
Don't mind her English.
No, my English is so perfect, man. Like, I mean,
oops, I'm falling.
Man, I thank God I got the Oloolua, and I comfort me. When these people, they bombard me. Yeah, so we are heading to the waterfall. To this side is the waterfall, as you can see here, and then to the other side is
Cave.
the caves. Yeah. Man, I'm liking these. You know, these are the kind of things that I do like. Yo, and it's just being made by the nature. Kid of nature, hey. This place is quite slippery, and if you don't take care, you might trip and fall down. And then they're full of rocks and stones, so You can get hurt, so you must be careful. Let me show them this other side. Wow, look at the nature. Is that this place no littering? It's super clean. The environment is really conserved. Yeah, so we have arrived at the waters. Yeah, but now these ones aren't the blue waters. Itabidi wametulia bana. So we just arrived at the mini waterfall. Yeah. So this is it, and
Kami niende pale.
so we're now heading to the cave, to the bamboo cliff and the cave. Yeah, we are rolling down this way. So I think, oh, this other side is to the cave, and then here, I don't know, we're going somewhere.
To the cave.
No, to the cave is this other side. First, we will not come back if we go. So, we're just going to a place that we don't know. I think this is a relaxing zone. There's nothing interesting over here, so I think we'll go back to the cave. We're still going down the cave. I don't know how far this cave is, but this is the other scenery. So the river is still below there. Whoa, and then where sushuke. So this is the cave, guys. We are not sure if
Let me do one.
people are supposed to enter.
We enter.
Or we be like the whites. They hear something, they go towards it.
Oh my God, these are the caves. You don't want to tell your Congo story. You want to go and we can tell theirs. We can tell theirs.
This part looks interesting, but you know, it's scary, man.
Scary somehow. They are bats.
Wow. So there are bats. I think I can't go any further. I think I can't go further here, bana. And the journey continues. Out of the cave, we go further. Later. Up the mountains, down the valleys. Those guys sent me all the way to come here to come and look if there's something interesting. And with all my guts, I just came here. But there's, at least I found something. There's water here. Yeah. So those guys are coming as... So I came all this way. There's water. Okay, you can't see until we... Teremka there. Oloolua na comfort me. Hey, so I just fell down. But we are here near at the waters. And across the river there seems a serene environment. So guys, we are done and we are now going back. Yeah, we're now going back to where we came from. It has really been an interesting time, adventurous. Yeah, we enjoyed the nature walk at Oloolua. 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 Yeah. Oloolua. So I think, to these parties where we have the residential areas and our offices. From the nature park, we decided to go and have lunch, and we went to the hub. Yeah, so we're gonna take takeaway because at this point there is no, not that there is no service, but you're served, but then you can't have your lunch or whatever you're taking at that point. So we've decided to take the KFC, fries and chicken, and we'll take them along the way because we're very hungry. Yeah, that is it.
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before.
So we have finally arrived home, and behind the scenes, I shouldn't look at my hair. So the adventure was quite interesting, amazing. I really enjoyed the adventure. So guys, please watch this. If you've watched this video up to the end, thank you so much. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, remember to subscribe to my channel. Give me a like on this video. You can comment on the video, and remember to share the video. I love you guys. Till my next video. See you. Bye. Keep safe.